All right, and the first fix that we have for our course error doozy is installing a course package on our Express server. So pretty much there's package for everything, and course is not an exception. So if you want to find out more info, I left here a link, and effectively the idea is following. Again, we install the package, which I'm going to do right away. So I'll stop it, and then I'm going to go with npm and then start. Or sorry, what am I doing? Why am I restarting the server without installing the package? My apologies. So let me grab this code. Let me install the package. Again, like I said in the previous video, technically, this is going to be a temporary fix, and we'll use the proxy fix instead. So if you don't want to follow along, if you don't want to install the package, then you don't have to do that. Just kick back and relax and watch me struggle. Now, it would be a better idea if I were to tell you that before I stopped the server, but hopefully you didn't waste too much time on that. So I'm going to go with npm start. So now I'm restarting the server. And then essentially the most straight up approach is following, where I just get the package and then I use it as a middleware. So we go with app.use and we go with the course. Now, there are some configuration options that I will very quickly discuss in the next video, but not for now. Let's just import and set it up on our server so we can successfully get the data on the front end. So let me close the terminal. We are looking for server, like so. And then again, I will remove it, so might as well do that at the top. It's gonna be easier to find it. So course from, and we're looking for a course package. We get the import, and then above the express.json, I'm gonna go with app.use, and let's go with the course. Let's save it. And now if I go back to the dashboard, and again, as a side note, I'll just comment this one out because I do want to discuss the /. In the next video, I'll set up the proxy, and I think it will help you to understand it better if I leave this data.json example here. So let me just comment that one out and uncomment the 5000. And everything is correct. We're actually getting the data. It's just, our response is simple string. And in here, I'm looking for a JSON. So let me quickly fix this, where instead of going with simple send, I'm going to go with a JSON. Again, this is a dummy route. It doesn't really matter how I structure it. And let's just set it up as an object here. And then I'm going to go with message, and I'll set it equal to my welcome. So a little bit of trickery, effectively, in order to get rid of that error. So I refresh, and what do you know? I have message equals to welcome. And hopefully this clearly showcases that everything works. We just need to install the course package, set it up as our middleware on the server. One more time, on the server, all of this is happening. And then on the front end, we'll successfully be able to fetch the data, which essentially is how we'll build this project. All the resources are going to be located on the server. And then from the front end, we'll just make fetch requests, the HTTP calls or AJAX requests, however you want to call them, and then use the data to build our application.